Usage of connectors, reason, cause and purpose. Number 3. Compiled and voiced by Nageswara A. English teacher Sri Prakash. In this lesson, we learn the usage of connectors of reason, cause and purpose. We use the following connectors to introduce the above: in order to, so as to, and to. Let us study these two sentences. You pass the examination. You study hard. In the above sentences, purpose is to pass the examination. Hence, these connectors are to be joined to that clause which proposes the purpose. In order to pass the examination, you should study hard. So as to pass the examination, you should study hard. To pass the examination, you should study hard. Let us study another example. Hurry up, you do not miss the bus. In order not to miss the bus, hurry up. So as not to miss the bus, hurry up. Not to miss the bus, hurry up. The above sentences are also simple sentences. In our next lesson, we come with another set of connectors. Let learning continue.